Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Elegear LED string lights. Wow, 328 feet long. These are 100 meters. That's a long range. And in this range of 328 feet, there are 1,000. This is a 1 with 3 O's. LEDs. Light emitted diodes. Wow. It comes with a copper wire and it is wrapped in green tape. It's really beautiful, as you can see at the night time, and it's long. It's a string light for Christmas with 8 mode and memory function. The 8 modes comes with a different style of it, and it's really easy to attach, as you can see. We can attach it outdoor, as you can see, no problem for this fairy lights. The 8 modes are awesome. And the memory function is super awesome, because that means if you switch off the energy supply, at the next time, if you switch these lights again on, that means the same mode will be playbacked. That's awesome. This is a fairy string. It's lights automatic adjustment for a wedding, for parties, for home decoration, for Christmas, and what you like. Of course, it's possible to get this in 33 feet with 100 LEDs and 328 feet with 500 LEDs, but this here is a 328 feet long with 1,000 LEDs. That's awesome. We have 8 functions to fit the different occasions, moods, feelings, holidays, festivals, anniversaries, etc., etc., etc. And combinations. For example, in wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing and flashing, slow fade, twinkle and flashing, and of course, steady on. We adjust the lights mode by pressing the round button on the adapter. At the same time, every lightning or flashing mode has a memory function. After opening for the second time or switch on for the second time, we have the previous lightning or decoration experience. It is really awesome. And it's an extra long Christmas lights. It is worth recommending. Only one Elegear 328 feet, this 100-meter ultra long wire light string can realize the decoration of the whole house. No need to connect other light strings in series. Simple operation and uniform atmosphere. Perfect for indoor and, of course, outdoor engagement. For wedding, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas party, or all year, all day decorations. And it's eco-friendly and safe. The included 5-volt UL certified adapter and insulated wires can ensure our safe use. This stays cool when touched, and don't worry about overheating after prolonged use. This is awesome. The transformer, the power supply plug, is waterproof and safe. It conforms to the IP44 waterproof standard, and it can be used safely in the jar, no problem. In my case, I'm going to wrap around the transformer itself by using a little bit of tape to make it really waterproof, because IP44 means this is splash proof, okay? But if you dock that into a power supply, there is a little area where the water can drip in, and I make a solution with that with a little bit of tape and wrap it around that AC adapter, and then until now everything works fine. And it's bright and make a warm atmosphere. 1,000 small warm white lamp speeds in different colors, as you can see. In a distance, each lamp beat is 3.93 feet. The lamp pitch is small, the light is dense. It's not only for decoration our room, we can also decorate our garden, trees, courtyard, but also it's good lighting effect. And the Elegear's garden lamp lights has a small bulbs, LED bulbs. They are so tiny, you will see it twinkling all time if you see that. It's bright and soft color. It is nearly the best choice for our home decoration, and it's safe because of the low voltage supply. That means there's not a big hazard if you cut the rope, for example. It looks really cool. It's waterproof and flexible, low voltage and low consumption. They're powered by the 30-volt low voltage outlet for safe use. The short string light will remember the last settings mode before turning off the power. We do not need to raise it at the next time of use. The plug-in cord light consumes little power, and power do not damage our eyes. It do not overheat and have no fire hazard. However, we can safely touch them after prolonged use. That's cool. Indoor and outer use. We have 4 mixed colors. 100 meter, 1000 LEDs. And it's plug-in able. No prob, easy operations. It's either for festival decoration at home, indoor or outdoors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.